Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax refund. Understanding your tax refund is simpler than you might think. Essentially, a refund means you've paid more in taxes than your actual tax liability. The Internal Revenue Service aims to process the vast majority of refunds efficiently. Opting for electronic filing and direct deposit are the two best ways to ensure you receive your money as quickly as possible, often within 3 weeks. Once you've filed your tax return, you'll likely be eager to know when your refund will arrive. The easiest way to track its progress is by using the Where's My Refund tool available on the IRS website. You'll need 3 pieces of information: your Social Security number, your filing status, and the exact refund amount shown on your return. Remember, the tool updates just once a day, typically overnight, so checking multiple times daily won't show new information. While most refunds arrive promptly, sometimes there are delays. One common reason is an error on your tax return, such as incorrect Social Security numbers or math mistakes. Returns claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or Additional Child Tax Credit often undergo additional review, which can extend processing times. Furthermore, if the IRS suspects identity theft or fraud, your refund may be held while they verify your information, ensuring your money is safe. When your refund is ready, you have a couple of options for how to receive it. Direct deposit is by far the quickest and most secure method, with funds typically appearing in your bank account within a few business days of approval. Alternatively, you can choose to receive a paper check mailed to the address on your return, though this takes longer. You can even apply your refund directly to next year's estimated taxes, a smart move for some taxpayers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.